Dakajing angnut ban putsuk ya kipat nong jong kai prathei kiba angnut ban wan kai suwari syapok kajala Meghalaya ya kabala jutip kum ka Scotland of the East madru ya ka abot of cloud khnang baki nong jong kai prathei kinsuk akaliang ki jingtip baper khamtam kum ka jingdong kam ya ki jing basa bansa akane kajala nakaliang ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation lani ka MTDC kala pelaj pai ba no sendon ya ka website jongka ya ka ba onla ban penungkam daki nong jong kai prathei hakane kaju kasngi ke MTDC kala plipai baru ya ki ying basa lane ki lock house hapo Orchid Resort Umyam ya ka balawan pelaj paiba ya ka website bad ya ki ying basa do ba Sanbor Sulai MLA Kalaban constituency badru kumu chairman ke MTDC hakajing ya sakhilang ru do ba Michael Karunai director ke MTDC uba Cyril Dingdo managing director jong ka MTDC lembat kiwe ki director bad ki vice chairman nakaliang ka board jong ka MTDC kila pentip bagajing temuhi ban pelaj paiba ya ka website badi king basa kalong ban pusuk ya kinong jong kai perthei hakaliang jing te baper baru ban ketiu ya kayo ka kot jong ka jelahi berkawei lengba ka tanat jong kai perthei.
Today we have this program, and the main program that the Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation Limited is having today here is the opening. The opening of the lock house. It is ready for sale to the customer with effect from today. And number two is that today we have launched the website of the corporation of the MTDC. So this is the main program of today. And after this, the second part is that we are having, this will be the first board meeting which we have conducted here in Orchid Resort. So this is the only agenda for today. And by launching this website, it will pave way. This is for the interest of the customer, where they can book online. And in the meantime, it will detect the revenue of the MTDC. Okay.
As Honourable Chairman of MTDC, Sri Sanbor Sulai has already stated, we are here today at Orchid Lake Resort to launch the website of the Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation that allows for tourists to book hotel rooms at Pinewood Hotel, State Convention Centre, and other properties of MTDC like Orchid Lake Resort. This is to promote the Meghalaya tourism, especially the properties of MTDC, and to increase the revenue of the corporation, which will also help tourists from other states and other countries to book the hotel rooms in our properties. So that is the main objective of the meeting today. We've also launched a hotel management system that will help our hotels to monitor and to run the hotel in a more effective and efficient manner, which will be implemented in all the units in a month's time from now. We are also here, as Chairman Sir has pointed out, to open the log houses that were inaugurated earlier this year. And not only the log houses, but we have a jogging trail, we have gazebos, which are right around the property of the Orchid Lake Resort, where tourists can enjoy the beauty of the Umyam Lake here while they stay at the Orchid Lake Resort. So we hope that all these measures will not only help increase the revenue of the corporation, but it will also help to promote Meghalaya, especially this property of Orchid Lake Resort, which is a premier property of the state of Meghalaya and of the corporation, and promote them for tourists in the country and abroad. These are the main objectives of today's launch program.
Can you tell us and reflect how the customer or the tourist they can log on to your website? How?
So the website, the URL is mtdcmeghalaya.com, www.mtdcmeghalaya.com. It lists out all the properties, and the booking part, just little integration is left, so that should be complete in a week's time. So today we had the launch, and the booking facilities will be open to the public in about 10 days' time.